Okay, in this last video, we are going to go from words, make them into an expression, and then simplify it. On this one, we're finding the difference when is subtracted from. Subtracting from is that key word because it changes the order. Just like I said, I want to take $10 from 20. I'm really doing 20 minus 10. So in this case, I'm doing the expression 9x minus 5 minus the expression 2x minus 2. On this one, I'm going to distribute it again, so we can simplify. Negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. And then I am combining like terms. 9x minus 2x is 7x. Negative 5 minus 2 is negative 3. So we got to be careful of those words. So makes a difference here. This is when I'm finding a difference when it's subtracted from again. So here we go, 6h minus 2h minus 4, distribute the 1, 6h, negative 1 times 2h is negative 2h, negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. Combine like terms, just the h's, I have 4h plus 4. Okay, so last video, if you think I made an error, please put it in the space provided below. Remember, one of these questions is done correctly.